Egypt is a transcontinental country spanning the northeast corner of Africa and southwest corner of Asia via a land bridge formed by the Sinai Peninsula. It is bordered by the Mediterranean Sea to the north, the Gaza Strip of Palestine and Israel to the northeast, the Red Sea to the east, Sudan to the south, and Libya to the west. The Gulf of Aqaba separates Egypt from Jordan and Saudi Arabia. Cairo is the capital and largest city of Egypt, while Alexandria, the second largest city, coast. At approximately 100 million inhabitants, Egypt is the 14th most populated country in Egypt has one of the longest histories of any country, tracing its heritage along the Nile Delta back to the 6th-4th millennia BCE. Considered a cradle of civilization, ancient Egypt has the earliest developments of writing, agriculture, urbanization, organized religion and central government. Monuments such as the Giza Necropolis, and its Great Sphinx, and ruins of Memphis, Thebes, Karnak, and the Valley of the Kings, a focus of scientific and popular interest. Thank you Baba Oranz.